What is going on today, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Trying to reach that 500 subscriber mark. I know it's not crazy, but trying to get there. I have a SRT-4 video for you today. I just recently purchased a Maddog Short Throw Shifter. I currently have a Hurst Short Throw Shifter in there, and it's been there for, I don't know, about 10 years, maybe 11 or so. I've had the car for 13, and that was one of my first modifications when I got the car. So I want to try something different. I've heard all the great things about the Maddog Short Throw Shifter from Chuck, and I bought a Speed Dog shifter knob for it. Here's what it looks like. Nothing crazy, just stock looking, which is what I wanted. But I'm gonna be installing that today. I'm taking you along for the ride, and let's get to it. Let's go. So as I'm about to show you, the Hurst definitely sits higher than the Maddog Short Throw Shifter. So I guess that's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, but honestly, I haven't had anything close to stock in, like I said, probably a decade, if not a little bit more. So I don't drive the car often. It's kind of like on the weekends or, you know, late at night or whatever. So it's, like I said, it's going to be something to get used to. I don't think it's going to be too bad, but this is the difference in the two. So as you can see, it's honestly probably a good inch and a half taller than the Maddog, but like I said, that's okay. I want to see how this shifts. Everyone has been raving about the Maddog, and I'm really curious. I've had the Hurst in there forever, but I'm gonna go throw it in the car now. As you saw, I took everything out. So let's go throw it in the car. So the very last bit of the installation is the Speed Dog shift knob. So with them, you get the stop nut, you get the adapter, and you get your shift knob. So what you want to do, you get your stop nut, you have your adapter, and then you have your shift knob. The shift knob is hollow inside, so if you thread it too far down, the adapter will go right through and get stuck up in there. It happened to me before. I got lucky and I was able to get it out. So what I recommend doing, and obviously everyone's gonna do it differently, but you thread it down to where you barely have your shifter sitting on top. Let me tighten that down. 17 mil for the shift nut. And all you're gonna really do is tighten it up against the adapter. Thread on your shift ball. So it looks pretty good. Definitely a little different than the Hurst, but just looks stock. I went with the white because obviously I have a stone white. Let's see how she feels. Wow. Wow, what a quality product. That is really nice. So I'm gonna go take this thing for a spin. I'm gonna take you along for the ride and see how it feels. Let's go. Maddog Short Throw Shifter. Honestly, that's an excellent piece. I recommend everyone go get one. I understand why everyone has been raving about them now. If you have anything stock, whatever, definitely switch it out. Maddog Short Throw Shifter for the win. Absolutely. So that's going to conclude my YouTube video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. That was me installing my Maddog Short Throw Shifter from my Hurst Short Throw Shifter. I have plenty more SRT-4 content. We just recently went cliff jumping in upstate New York. I have that video to come out as well. If it's not already out, I don't know when this video will be out, but I hope everyone is enjoying the content. Please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Like I said, trying to hit that 500 subscriber mark. So if we can do that, that'd be great. So stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate everything. Take care.